Hi and welcome. Today we're making couscous with qadid. Qadid means like dried meat. I did a video about it, so I will link the video. We're gonna start with we have couscous. We have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This one is a little tiny fishes. Uh, I brought them back from Tunis. I don't know if they have them here, but I did see them in Spanish stores if you can find them in there. So we have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, garlic, and a small onions. We have pepper, green pepper, and so now we're gonna put the oil. All the ingredient I will list them in the box. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of that meat with the oil in it because it gives it the flavor. And the little fishes, if you can find them. We're gonna put the pepper, two peppers. Those are onions. Mix them all together. This one is called mesfouf too, so if anybody knows it, they call it mesfouf. Uh, that's a big garlic. You can put one or you can put two big ones. We're gonna put some salt. Don't forget the meat already have salt in it. We're gonna put some paprika, some coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This is very easy and delicious. It smells so good. So we're just gonna mix them, add the water, maybe around the amount I'm making is for 2 people, so it's maybe like 1 cup, 1 cup of water. The sauce is going to be, it's like the Tunisian pasta sauce, a little thick like that, and between the Tunisian pasta sauce and pizza sauce. It's not going to be runny and it's not going to be thick like that. See? So you're just going to let it simmer. Take the pepper out. Don't let them overcooked. Maybe like 2 minutes until cook and take them out. And now for the couscous, you're just going to put water, some oil to it, and oil and some water, and you're gonna steam it. But make sure you keep adding little water, little by little, because we have no sauce. You gotta make sure the couscous is cooked. See? So when you see it all fluffy and turns white, that's how you know it's cooked. Do not don't put the sauce until you make sure the couscous is cooked. Because you have no sauce, it's not gonna absorb any sauce. It has to be fluffy. That's how you tell. So now we're gonna put the sauce, mix it. Like I said, this is serve 2 people or three, but mostly 2 people. Add that pepper, and like I said, do not leave the pepper for so long. Let it crunchy. Let it have the little crunch to it. So mix it all like that. And that's it. It's very easy, but it tastes so good. And I did not add harissa. So if you wanted to add harissa or chili powder, you can make it spicy. You can do so. the pepper too. If you want them to be spicy, you can do so. It's all up to you. So enjoy, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and share, subscribe. Bye bye.